Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to place a bet on 1xBet. First thing I want you to do is log into the website, and then if you scroll down here you'll see the different matches happening and the different sports as well. So come here, just click on football. Of course you can choose from here as well, and we have the different leagues. We have Portuguese League, we have the Spanish League, we have the Dominican Republic Championship League as well. And let's go over these options. So this one is actually team 1 to win. This one is draw. This one is team 2 to win. And here we have team 1 to win or draw, right? Here is either, team 1 to win or team 2 to win, but it will not be a draw. And this one is team 2 to win or draw. And these are the odds. So let's say someone placed a bet of 100, right? Then they should expect to make back about 18.5 back when they win, right? That is an extra 18.5. And then let's say they want to pick their bets, they just come and click on this, and you'll notice we have our bet placed. This is a single bet, and of course you can choose more options. If I click on show all markets, we have different ones right here. For example, handicap, current score. We have right here double chance, right? Totals, next goal, which team to score, right? Corners, results, things like that. I'll stick to this one. Let's close the market here. And you can place multiple bets as well. Let's do an accumulator bet. So if I come here, let's say I want this to draw, right? Here in this case, I want team 1 to win. By the way, this game is in progress. As you can see, it is a live game. Currently, team 2 is winning. And this is an accumulator. So if I come here, as you can see, right, what will happen is if I get this right in all of these bets, then I will win this amount right here based on my bet of 200. So you can see right here, this is my odds, right? And here I have my maximum stake, my potential winnings. Just make your deposit and then click here to place bet. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.